In a small village nestled among the rolling hills of Rwanda, a boy named Bonheur dreamed of a life beyond the fields and dusty roads he had always known. Every night he would sit outside his family modest home and gaze at the stars, imagining the bustling street of Kigali, capital city, where opportunities awaited those bold enough to seize them. One morning, with a heart full of hope and few Rwandan francs saved up, Bonheur bade farewell to his family and set off for Kigali. The journey was long and tiring, but his excitement kept his spirit high. When he finally arrived, the city's vastness and energy overwhelmed him. Tall buildings roamed over crowded streets, and the sounds of honking cars and shattering people filled the air. This is the story of a boy named Bonheur from a village to the capital city of Kigali in Rwanda.